Hey everyone, you're welcome once more to NEPH. If you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to some students out there, right? So today we are going to be looking at basic mathematics. And if you're new to mathematics, you are, just at the right, YouTube channel. All right, there are lots and lots of problems out there for you to watch and improve your skills in maths because maths needs consistent word practice. All right. So let's look at these problems. Now I'm going to work this and this, and I would like you to what do it yourself. Okay. Now for C and D, you have to do it yourself and drop your answers at the comment section, below this video so that I can be able to check and see if you're able to understand what I have done so far. All right, so let's get right into the questions. So our solution. Now, like in our previous video, we used, the knowledge of what FOIL, right? So that is what we're also going to apply here. Now for the first one, okay, now we have 3y plus 2 all squared. Now in mathematics, when you have all squared, means you want to multiply, whatever it is by itself. So we have 3y plus 2 in bracket multiply 3y plus what? 2. Okay. For instance, if I say a squared, it means a times a. If I say 2 squared, it means 2 times 2, which is 4. So this squared means this multiplying itself. Now I'm going to use 4. Okay. Unlike the previous video, I would not want to put our F, O, I and L, but I want to do it directly without, making the work look what rough. All right, so let's go. I have 3y, you multiply by 3y, okay? That's my step 1. Step 2 is going to be plus 2 multiply 3y, all right? Now for step 3, we are going to move plus 3y multiply by what? Plus 2. And the last step is going to be plus 2 multiplied by what? Plus 2. Okay? So without putting F, O, I, and L, I'll be able to expand all this. Now with this, we can now solve for that. So 3 times 3 is 9. Y times y is y squared. Plus 2 times 3 is going to give us plus 6y. Now plus 3 times plus 2 is also plus 6. And we have our y. Plus 2 times plus 2 is going to give us plus what? 4. Alright, so from this we can now see that we have like terms here. Alright, so plus 6y can be added to plus 6y. So we are going to have 9y squared plus, okay, 6y plus 6y is 12y plus 4. I think at this point there is nothing else I can be able to what do. So this gives us the answer to the first problem. Now let's solve the second problem. Now for B, we are still going to follow the same order. So I have my B, we have 4c minus 5 in bracket raised to the power of 2. So this, first of all, I want to write it twice. So 4c minus 5 multiplying what? 4c minus what? 5. So that is our first step. Now we're going to apply FOIL. This is FOIL. Okay, so F, okay, goes first of all to what? I. All right. So I'm going to simply say 4c multiplied by 4c. All right. So the next step 2 is going to be minus 5 multiplied by what? 4c. Okay. The next step is going to be plus 4c multiplied by what? Minus 5. The last step is going to be minus 5 multiplied by minus 5. Okay. You want to look at the previous video to see how we're able to use FOIL on this, but today using FOIL in such a way that we are keeping our work very well neat. So we are going to have 4 times 4 here is 16. C times C is C squared. Minus 5 times 4 is minus 20. So we have C there. So minus 5 times 4C is minus 20C. Plus times minus is minus. 4 times 5 is going to give us 20. And we have C. So plus 4C times minus 5 is minus 20C. Now minus times minus is plus. 5 times 5 is what? 25. So from this point, we can see that the middle terms, minus 20C minus 20C, is like 10, and we can be able to work that out. So our final answer here is going to be, we have 16C squared. Now minus 20 minus 20, okay, is going to be minus, okay, 20 plus 20, since we are dealing with the same signs, all right? So we are going to add the numbers. So 20 plus 20 is what? 40, and we have C. So finally plus what? 25. So this gives us the solution to this simple problem. So I would like you to do, okay, C and D yourself, and drop your answers at the comment section below, under this video. So I'll see you guys in my next video. You take care. Bye.